We have the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven. It's claiming to have 90-second preheating. 1800 watts. True convection. It's claiming to do it faster than a traditional oven. And you can see here how it has actual true convection circulation fan in the back. It's like we have 2 sheet pans, 1 air fry basket, 2 wire racks, a roast tray, and a crumb tray. Oh yeah. There it is. It's very large. Just powered it on. This, see here, there's 2 levels. So it's like a double oven. And then you have the functions here on that side. So you select this, and you have 2 roast options. And then you have air fry, bake, dehydrate, broil, toast, bagel, pizza. They have a pizza option. That's amazing. And reheat. And then you have the time and the temperature. So you can modify the temperatures depending on what you're doing. Turn the light on inside. You have 2 racks. This is for air frying, and then a drip pan essentially for cleaning and cleaning up the oil spills. Gonna get 2 of these trays, which you can bake cookies in or whatever, and this would be the piece for roasting. So there you have it. I'll see if you all want to do a follow-up video with the actual cooking, but that is the technology behind it. You can see the fan there. That is going to be the convection heating element there. And then you have the heating elements on the top and on the bottom here. See if you can see these parts here. So you have a total of 4 elements, maybe 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have the main one in the back. So 1800 watts should be powerful. Cool. Here's the pizza my wife made with her secret recipe for whole wheat dough. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. So we've been using this for about, I would say, a week now. And one major bummer here, if you look here, the power button is very late. It's already faded. You could barely see it, but the paint's come off of that. And the same thing with the start and stop button. Completely. The labeling completely has just came off within a week of use of this Ninja Pro XL air fryer. So something to note. Works beautifully, works great, but it's very disappointing to spend like $300 and the power button and start stop button just don't work.